He's got it now. See, he's got his toes in the right position here. Oh, that's the end of that?
Michael, do it again.
You will. See, he's got it now. He's got it. He says, I know what I gotta do now. I gotta get up on my toes. Yeah, get up on your toes, Michael.
Michael, what you doing? Michael. Michael. Michael, show us. Show us how you move frontwards.
Who's that? Michelle, answer that.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it. Watch, he's gonna lift up his bum. That's it. Look, you see, he's going forward. Did you see that? He's gonna crawl this week and the next week. Are you doing a movie? Oh my gosh, that's hard work. He says, we need a break. Hmm?
Oh.
I'll do it again. Needs a little rest. A little rest in the middle.
Ooh.
It's history in the making, Daniel.